Hello everyone, I'm Miss Manar Shazli, New Generation Language School. I hope you all fine. Today we are gonna to talk about Chapter 2, Theme 2, Water, Water Everywhere. Firstly, can you tell me why we need water? Why we need water? Excellent. For cooking, washing ourselves, drinking, transportation, producing electricity, and watering plants. Well done. Very good. Again, can you tell me why we need water? For cooking, washing ourselves, drinking, transportation, producing electricity, and watering plants. Very good. Sources of water. Sources of water. We have many sources of water such as ocean, lakes, rivers. Ocean, lakes, rivers. Can you repeat after me please? Ocean, lakes, rivers. Do you know that almost 3/4 of the surface of our planet Earth is covered by water? 3/4 of our surface of the Earth is covered by water. Okay. Now can you answer this question for me? Can we use all these water sources to drink? Ocean, lake and rivers? Think well and tell me your answer. No. Excellent. We can't use ocean water for drinking. Now I need for you to solve this question, your homework, and send me your answer, okay? From your previous learning, where else you can find water? Now we are gonna to talk about Siwa Ossos. Siwa Ossos. In Siwa Ossos, the main source of water is underground water. So can you tell me the main source of water in Siwa? Excellent, very good. Underground water. Repeat after me. Underground water. Very good. Number 2, Siwa Ossos is a place in the desert. Is a place in the desert. So if I ask you, where is Siwa Ossos? In the desert. Excellent. Number 3, the most famous animal in Siwa is wolves and white deer. Wolves and white deer. Okay. Here is the wolf and this is the white deer. Number 4, the most famous plants are date palm. Repeat after me. Date palm, olives, spearmint, which is used for medicines. Can you tell me some examples of plants in Siwa? Date palm, excellent. Olives, very good. Spearmint, which is used for medicines. Very good. Now we are gonna talk about the water cycle in nature. The water cycle in nature. Okay. Number 1 is evaporation. Evaporation. Repeat after me. Evaporation. Evaporation is a process that happens when the sun heats the surface of water bodies, like seas and oceans. Some of water changes to vapor, mixing with air. Okay, So evaporation is a process that happens when the sun heats the surface of water bodies, such as seas and oceans. Okay, some of water changes to vapor mixing with air. Number 2 is condensation. Condensation is a process that happens when the air cools down and water vapor condenses back into water. Droplets. These droplets collect to form what? To form clouds. Okay, to form clouds. Number 3 is precipitation. Repeat after me. Precipitation. Here, precipitation. A process that happens when water droplets in clouds fall as rain, fresh water, and if air is cold, they fall as snow. Then collection. Okay, so number 1 is in water cycle evaporation, number 2 condensation, number 3 precipitation, and number 4 collection. Okay, now let's solve this question together. Choose. Number 1. Space is the source of heat that causes evaporation of water. Refrigerator, sun, or heater? Think well and tell me your answer. Excellent, sun. Very good. Number 2. Space converts water into vapor or gas and rises up. Cooling, heating? No correct answer. Very good, heating. Excellent. Number 3. Space is the process which turns water to vapor. Evaporation, condensation, or precipitation? Very good. I'm so proud of you. Evaporation. Number 4. The space acts as a condensing surface. Container, plastic wrap, or salt? Excellent, plastic wrap. Very good. The water condenses due to heating, cooling. No correct answer. Think well. Very, very, very good. Cooling. Number 6. Space is the process which turns vapor to water. Condensation. Very good. Very good. Condensation. Okay. Number 7. The falling back of water from the plastic surface to small container is called precipitation. Very good. Number 8. The water in the small container is space water. I'm so proud of you. Fresh water. Now use the words in the box to write the correct word in the correct part of the water cycle. Okay, we have evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Now I'll give you 2 seconds to think well and tell me your answer. Now your answer is here evaporation. Excellent. Here condensation. Very good. Number 3 precipitation. I'm so proud of you. And the last one is collection. Very good. Very good. You are very smart. Now we will talk about weather and climate. Weather versus climate. Weather versus climate. What is the meaning of weather? Weather describes the condition condition around us in a short time. In a short time. So weather describes the condition of the weather around us in a short time. Okay. And the climate is the average weather condition around us over a long period of time. Okay. Weather describes wind speed, temperature, and precipitation. Climate describes wind speed, temperature, and precipitation as well. Okay. So weather describes a condition of the year around us in a short time, but the climate describes the condition of the air around us over long time. Very good. Now answer this question, your homework, and send me your answers. Complete this diagram. Weather versus climate. Okay, let's solve this question together. My local climate. Complete this picture. We have here some words in this box. We need to write the suitable word under the suitable picture. Windy, sunny, cloudy, and rainy. Windy, sunny, cloudy, and rainy. Number 1 is very good, rainy. Number 1 is rainy. Very good. Number 2, cloudy. I'm very proud of you. And number 3, windy. Very good. And number 4, we can see the sun here and the rainbow as well. Sunny. Very good. Now let's go in a trip through the climate. Firstly, we are going to talk about polar zone. Polar zone, the climate is snowy. Extremely cold all year, and very dry. Extremely cold all year and very dry. Precipitation, snow, not rains. Okay. Tropical zone. The first zone is polar zone. Second zone is tropical zone. Tropical zone climate is hot and humid, sticky all year. Precipitation moderate to heavy. Number 3, temperate zone. Climate is pretty warm. Weather changes with seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Precipitation moderated all the year. So as well, tropical zone. You have this question. Please answer them in your homework and send me your answers. Write the question in your notebook to answer them. Okay. Make a pause to your video and write the question and your answers. Now we are gonna talk about describing climates in Egypt. We will describe the climate in Egypt in 2 places, which is Alexandria and Luxor. In Alex, the weather is humid and rainy because its location is near to the large body of water, which is Mediterranean Sea. But Luxor, the weather is hot and dry because it is located away from the large body of water. Yes. Hurghada, the weather is hot and dry or humid and rainy? Think well. It will be humid and rainy because its location is near to the large body of water, which is Mediterranean Sea, like Alex. Okay. How do you think? We will talk about water issues. Climate can impact living organisms. We have here drought and flood. Drought, like here, is the lack of precipitation in a long period of time. But flood is the heavy precipitation in a short period of time. Choose. Do you think plant A will survive? No. Excellent. Number 2. Do you think plant B will survive? No as well. Excellent. Very good. Number 3. Space is a heavy amount of rains in a short period of time. Flood. Very good. Number 4. Space is the extreme lack of rain in a long period of time. Drought. Very good. You are super. Floods and droughts. We have here 4 habitats: grassland habitat, wetland habitat, polar habitat, and rainforest habitat. Okay, complete. Number 1. Which habitat is a dry, flat land found all over the world? Grassland habitat. Excellent. Very good. Number 2. The weather in what habitat is rainy and warm? Rainforest habitat. Excellent. Number 3. Is habitat located near to the South Poles? Think well. Polar habitat. Excellent. In what habitat ice covers large areas? Polar habitat as well. Excellent. Very good. You are a super student. I'm very proud of you. Choose. A flood is most likely to occur in which habitat? Grassland habitat, rainforest habitat, or wetland habitat? Very good. Rainforest habitat, because rains fall every day. Number 2, a drought is most likely to occur in habitat: grassland, polar, or rainforest? Very, very good. Grassland habitat. Thank you for listening. That was our session for today. See you later. Bye.